How do you get that glass glow?
I think people should go to Korea and see what they're doing.
Because if something like this goes wrong, I mean, her entire wedding is.
When we talk about skincare routine, I think it's very important to know your skin type because everyone is like वो rice water लगा रहे हैं and हर एक बंदा खुश है. You wash your face and then you just don't apply anything for 2 hours. अगर oil बनता है,
Especially because we come from Jammu and Kashmir, so everybody thinks that our skin is.
if you have a dehydrated skin, no matter what product are you using, even the most expensive ingredients would not work.
I just saw this reel which was talking about menstrual and fecal facial. Does this really work?
No, I don't think so. I think it is just कि किसी ने कुछ लगाया just to become a sensation.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Dopamine High, where we talk about life, love, and everything in between. Today, I'm thrilled to announce our very special guest, Dr. Palki Sharma, a certified cosmetic dermatologist with 7 years of experience. Dr. Sharma is a graduate from Cardiff and has practiced both in India and the UK. She now currently runs her own clinic in Gandhinagar, Jammu, and is amongst the first to get US FDA approved technology in Jammu and Kashmir. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
I want to dive right into the first question. That is, it is so overwhelming to get have so many products in the market. So I want to know the right skincare routine.
So when we talk about skincare routine, I think it's very important to know your skin type. Because क्या है मार्केट में इतना कुछ है एंड पीपल आर जस्ट फॉलोइंग एडवर्टीजमेंट्स और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कि ये इसको काम कर रहे हैं तो मेरे पे भी करेगा. सो द बेसिक स्टेप इज टू नो योर स्किन केयर टाइप. So I'll give you a very simple thing. You wash your face and then you just don't apply anything for 2 hours. अगर oil बनता है, then you have an oily skin. If you still feel that your skin is dry and flaky, then you have dry skin. If you feel normal कि कुछ भी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, there's not too much oil also, then you have normal skin.
Okay.
And then we have another type which is the sensitive skin. So by sensitive, मतलब होता है that your skin feels irritated at all times. No matter what you apply, you go out in the sun, it turns red. So important is to know your skin type and then you start having a skincare regime.
Okay. Is there any analysis for this?
Yes, there are machines actually which are available. So if you're someone जिसको समझ नहीं आता है what type of skin do you have, then you can opt for these kind of skin analysis tests. So what we generally do is there's a machine, we just put your face inside the machine and then it gives like 14 parameters or 10 parameters based on what your skin type is. It can even tell your stress levels. It can tell about that whether your skin is affected by pollution, stress levels, and then sunlight damage and even hormonal problems and dehydration.
Okay. You just spoke about stress. So how does stress affect your skin?
I think quite a lot, not just skin and hair also. So what happens is when your body is under stress, you produce some hormones जिसमें body को लगता है that skin is not important. You know, when you're under stress, it's like कि अच्छा दिखना ज़रूरी नहीं है. Body को बचाना ज़रूरी है. So all the blood circulation usually goes to your lungs, to your kidneys, to your heart. So the skin is getting less nutrition. One is that. Because of that, it produces more melanin. So थोड़ा-सा आपका कलर डार्क हो सकता है और स्ट्रेस इंड्यूस्ड एक्ने हो सकता है एंड हेयर फॉल इज़ ऑल्सो देयर. सो आई ऑलवेज़ से कि कहते हैं ना जब स्ट्रेस है, बहुत टेंशन में है, मुँह उतर गया, सो दिस इज़ द सेइंग बिहाइंड इट बिकॉज़ स्ट्रेस अफेक्ट्स योर स्किन डायरेक्टली.
And for hair fall, what are the tips that you'd like to give?
आई थिंक फॉर हेयर फॉल मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इज़ दैट इफ यू हैव एनी स्कैल्प इन्फेक्शन जैसे डैंड्रफ है या सीबोसोरियासिस है, सबसे पहले उसको करेक्ट करो, ओके? देन इफ यू हैव इची स्कैल्प या फ्लेकी स्कैल्प, करेक्ट दैट ऑल्सो. Then second would be for hair fall, we always check blood levels. So people would generally everyone does it कि hair fall का problem है, दवाई खा लो, कुछ लगा लो, ठीक हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Hair is growing out of your body. So we need to check your hormone levels. We have to check your iron profile levels, HB levels, testosterone levels, both in men and female. And post that we can start a regime.
Okay. Moving on, I want to talk about acne and stress. How does stress affect acne?
So stress अगेन वुड इंड्यूस सम हार्मोन्स इन योर बॉडी जिसकी वजह से आपको एक्ने हो जाता है, ठीक है? वन इज़ दैट। द सेकंड थिंग इज़ कि स्ट्रेस की वजह से आपका सीबम प्रोडक्शन भी ज़्यादा हो जाता है बिकॉज़ बॉडी से योर माइंड कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन फिजिकल एंड मेंटल स्ट्रेस, राइट? सो उस टाइम पे लाइक व्हेन यू आर अंडर स्ट्रेस यू स्वेट मोर,
राइट।
आपका थोड़ा-सा स्कैल्प ज़्यादा ऑयली होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है। सो इसी की वजह से यू हैव मोर स्वेटिंग एंड यू हैव मोर ऑयल प्रोडक्शन जिसकी वजह से अगेन यू डेवलप एक्ने। एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ स्ट्रेस ईटिंग, है
Yeah,
ना? तो स्ट्रेस में क्या अच्छा लगता है? शुगर।
sure.
तो दे टेक मोर शुगर एंड शुगर इज़ आल्सो एसोसिएटेड विद एक्ने बिकॉज़ वो आपका इंसुलिन स्पाइक अप करता है जिसकी वजह से यू डेवलप एक्ने।
So you just spoke about sugar. There are when I got acne, the first thing doctor told me was cut down on gluten
Hmm.
and cut down on sugar, of course, plus anything with milk.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct, yeah.
So dairy products. So what is your say in it? Do you agree with it? And if yes, then should we completely get rid of it, or how do we go about it?
See, milk generally it is associated as an allergen. So अब क्या हो गया है in recent studies ये दिखाया गया है that milk is an allergen but we need to understand why. One is milk प्रोडक्शन कहाँ से आ रही है? व्हाट आर दे फीडिंग द काउज़? उसमें कितने पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं? कितना अच्छा वो चारा बोलते हैं ना जो डाला जाता था फूड, वो कितना अच्छा है, कितना ऑर्गेनिक है? वन इज़ दैट। सेकंड इज़ द कंडीशन दैट दे आर लिविंग इन। Because milk production जो हो गया it's form of a business now.
Hmm.
Earlier back in the days how it was every family used to have one cow with them, right?
Everything was pure.
Yeah, everything was pure. जो खाना दे रहे थे वो प्योर था and kids जो बच्चे थे घर के they were mingling with the cow. Like now you have dogs. So what you are sharing is some bacteria. Okay, microbiome बोलते हैं.
Mhm.
So you are sharing the same with the animal and that is why you might not be allergic to your dog but someone else might be allergic to that dog.
Right,
Correct?
right.
The same goes for the cow also. Because the cow was inside the same house, you are saying sharing the same microbiome. So उससे जो मिल्क निकल रहा था वो ज़्यादा डाइजेस्ट हो जाता था। अब वैसा चीज़ नहीं है। अब वो काउज़ जो है वो बड़े-बड़े कैटल फार्म्स होते हैं, वहाँ पे होती हैं। तो वहाँ पे जब मिल्क निकालना इज़ मोर लाइक कि इससे तो हमें पैसे कमाने हैं। सो
Mhm.
इवन इफ द काउ इज़ नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग मिल्क, दे विल पुट द काउ ऑन हार्मोन्स। वन इज़
Right,
दैट।
right.
देन वो जो उसका बछड़ा होता है, तो उसको अलग कर दिया जाता है। देन द काउ इज़ आल्सो इमोशनली सैड बिकॉज़ एनिमल्स डू फील
Feel
फाइन। सो जो वो मिल्क निकल रहा है वो उस क्वालिटी का भी नहीं है एंड थिर्डली जहाँ पे मशीन के थ्रू निकाला जाता है वहाँ पे बिकॉज़ इट इज़ मशीन कंट्रोल सो दे डोंट इवन नो वेदर कि जब वो दूध निकाल रहे हैं उसके बाद उसमें पस या ब्लड आ रहा है। ओके, सो एवरीथिंग इज़ मोर एडल्टरेटेड। नाउ फीमेल्स हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पीसीओएस कंसर्न नाउ, राइट? सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज़ हम हार्मोन कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं लेकिन जो दूध आप दे रहे हो उसमें भी हार्मोन होगा बिकॉज़ काऊ को इंजेक्ट किया गया था।
right.
So that is why milk is an allergen and that is the first thing we say that if you're suffering from acne, in fact gut issues also, if you're suffering from that, in fact stress and anxiety depression में भी अब बोलना start कर दिया है that cut down from milk products. In my opinion I generally say that you have to try, like if somebody is not allergic to dahi because dahi is rich in probiotics
Yeah.
or paneer, then you can try and you can see for yourself whether it is suiting you or not, but milk is a definite no.
No. Okay. And what about gluten?
Gluten also it depends frankly because the thing is at times your gut is too sensitive to absorb,
Right.
राइट? तो अगर आपको सूट करता है आप लो, अगर नहीं करता तो आप मत लो। आई जनरली डोंट आई डोंट से नॉट टू हैव ग्लूटेन, जस्ट मिल्क फॉर yeah, in my cases what I have seen practically just milk, not gluten, because the thing is we live in India, we have to get back to the same routine, so it's important to have a little bit of it.
Bit every
Yeah, little
because then
bit
you
of
get
everything.
sensitive,
Yeah,
your stomach is
correct,
sensitive to it. Right. Also, how do you differentiate between the hormonal acne and the adult acne?
Okay. So when we talk about adult acne, that means that you have developed it in 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. Basically, after 20s, if you develop acne, which is not a teenage acne, it's called adult acne, right? And it could be both in men and women.
Women.
So when we talk about hormonal acne, so it is associated with your hormones and it is usually in this area. So the lower part of your face, your jawline, your chin, your neck, that is hormonal acne. So अगर आपको यहाँ पे acne दिखेगा, the cause is hormonal, and adult acne can happen anywhere.
Okay, so just like you said that the hormonal acne is over here, I've seen these studies, Korean studies, where they talk about each
Yeah,
part of.
yeah, correct.
So
Map,
could you,
yes.
yeah, could you talk a little bit about mapping?
So, see, if you develop it on your forehead, as per, so I'm not really sure. I could be wrong in a way because they do it with food also and nutrition also. So I'm just generally telling you the clinical way of it. So if you develop something on the forehead, it is usually associated with your hair products that you're using,
Okay.
dandruff, or if somebody has those, what do you call them?
Bangs.
Fringes, bangs, right?
Yeah.
So bangs. So
Yeah.
because there is a lot of moisture because of the bangs, that is why you develop acne on the forehead. If it is on your cheeks, then it is associated with your nutrition and pollution levels.
Okay.
Okay. And if it is like lower part of the face, chin and neck and jawline, it is associated with hormones.
Okay. So can we now talk about men's skincare?
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah.
So men's skincare, I would say it's just one word. It's very less.
Yeah.
So they generally do not care, no matter आप कितना भी समझा लो that you have to apply something. So if when a men patient come to me and they want a base skincare, so I tell them layering is okay for you. एक दो products लगा लोगे, and generally the answer is no. So what we generally do is maybe if there is a concern, a brightening serum and a sunscreen. But I think it's equally important because see, men usually have a thicker skin.
Right.
So the problems that we see as a women at the age of late 20s or in our 30s, so क्या होगा? Freckles, pigmentation आता है. We see it in our 30s. Men usually have skin issues like pigmentation or sun tanning की वजह से जो face काला हो गया होता है in late 30s or 40s.
Okay.
Because of their thicker skin or even 50s, you must have seen a lot of men जिनके यहाँ पे वो black सी सा mark रहता है ना यहाँ पे.
Right.
हाँ, this is because they've never applied sunscreen in their life. अगर लगा ली होती वो नहीं होता. But this comes at the age of 50. Now they are least bothered कि इसको ठीक कराना है या नहीं कराना. तो इसकी वजह से मेन स्किन केयर में ज़्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है. But basic, if you just ask me one ingredient or one product that they should use is a sunscreen.
Okay. So can we talk about the importance of sunscreen?
I think it's very, very important. Everyone should use sunscreen. After the age of 2, it is recommended for everyone. Now, the important thing is that what to look for when you're buying a sunscreen. The SPF, sun protection formula,
Right.
that is important. And then the PA factor. Okay. For our skin type, that is the Indian skin or brown skin, we need an SPF 30 and above. ठीक है, तो वो जो 70-80 लिखा होता है, that is all false. There's 50 SPF is more than enough. Okay. And then you check the PA factor of it
Right.
because we need protection against the UVA.
Right.
So that has to be plus 4 times plus basically.
Okay.
So anything which is above 2 plus, that is okay for our skin types.
Okay. And moving forward, I want to know about makeup. What are the do's and don'ts of the makeup?
I think the most important thing is that makeup उतारना कैसे? Removal. Okay. Because क्या है, no matter what product you're putting on your face, important is how you're getting rid of it. Okay. So I think a lot of people would what they generally do is कि फेस वॉश लिया, मुंह धो लिया और लगा कि बस उतर गया मेकअप. वैसा नहीं होता है. You have to have a proper based on your skin type again. So you need to have a good makeup remover. Micellar waters जो भी हैं, they work very well. Then there are some cleansing balms also. They also work very well. Then there are some oils that have come up now for makeup removing. So that's very well. So double cleansing is important. Okay. So in double cleansing, what you generally do is you remove the makeup with the help of an oil and then you take a foaming cleanser and then you wash it off.
Even for the oily skin, you have to do
Yes,
it with the
yeah,
oil
yeah.
first. Okay.
So it depends. Like I said, you can do it with micellar water and your face wash together, or you can do it with micellar water or an cleansing oil. Because now जो बहुत सारे जो oils है ना, they are emulsifying oils. Emulsifying का मतलब होता है you apply the oil and then जैसे आपने पानी लगाया, it will just wash off on its own. It will not leave that oily residue. So it's good for sensitive and oily skin also.
Okay.
Then coming to if you have sensitive skin or if you have acne prone skin, तो makeup में all you need to see is कि कोई silicone based product ना हो. So all these heavy foundations that people generally use, उसमें होता है. Okay, these HD foundations and all. So because and long staying जो होता है, they have some formula in that. So do not apply that. So when you're choosing a foundation, it's important to go for anything which is silicone free, not the heavy foundations. And do not keep your makeup overnight. That's very important. But also do not keep your makeup for more than 8 hours.
Okay.
So just that tip.
Okay. Moving forward, nowadays people are a lot into uh, Botox, lip fillers. So can we start with what cosmetic dermatologist is, and then we can talk about different aspects.
So when we talk about cosmetic and aesthetic, it is the beauty part of it. So anything which is enhancing your features or enhancing something in your body. Okay, so that's the cosmetic part of it.
Yeah.
Then coming to Botox or fillers, so ये सब आ जाते हैं injectable treatments में. Okay, so Botox is basically Botox is a brand. The original is botulinum toxin. Okay, it is derived from a bacteria. ओके, उसका प्यूरिफाइड वर्जन करते हैं एंड देन इट इज इंजेक्टेड इन सर्टेन पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट द फेस, इट वाज नॉट फॉर एंटी एजिंग व्हेन इट वाज स्टार्टेड. बेसिकली देयर वाज अ डॉक्टर, उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था फॉर ब्लेफरोस्पाज्म, आई ट्विचिंग होती है ना,
Yeah.
उसके लिए, सो दैट ही कुड जस्ट रिलैक्स द मसल अ लिटिल. एंड वंस दे स्टार्टेड इंजेक्टिंग ही सॉ कि वहां पर जो लाइंस थी वो फेड आउट होना स्टार्ट हो गई. द क्रोज फीट जो बनता है ना, व्हेन यू स्माइल एंड यू गेट
Right.
लाइंस, या दे स्टार्टेड फेडिंग आउट हिज. सो it was a doctor couple. So what they did, one of them was a dermatologist. तो उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा, this is getting better, so now let's inject it for lines and wrinkles, and that's how it entered into cosmetic.
Okay.
But Botox has always been there. उसके साथ जो स्टिग्मा अटैच्ड है कि ये थोड़ा खराब लुक देता है या आपको बड़ी फेक लुक आ जाएगी, या वैसा नहीं होता. बोटॉक्स इज अ ब्यूटीफुल ट्रीटमेंट. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर इवन हेडेक्स. अगर इफ यू हैव हेडेक्स ना, सुबह उठ के यहाँ दर्द होती है, तो उसके लिए यूज किया जाता है. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर माइग्रेन, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर सेरेब्रल पाल्सी, जब आपका फेस थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो जाता है या कोई मसल ओवर एक्टिव होता है, तो उसके लिए. सो व्हाट इट डज इज व्हेन यू इंजेक्ट इट इन द एरिया, इट रिलैक्सेस द मसल. बिकॉज इट रिलैक्सेस द मसल, तो वो आपकी लाइंस नहीं बनेंगी, बट यू आर एबल टू मूव द मसल.
Right. And what if something goes wrong? How do you correct it then?
Okay, so if Botox goes wrong, you can't correct it.
Okay.
बट फॉर्चुनेटली उसका रिजल्ट सिर्फ 4 महीने तक रहता है.
Okay.
तो इसलिए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जिससे आप इंजेक्ट करवा रहे हैं, यू शुड नो दैट दे आर अ थरो प्रोफेशनल. सो आई वुड ओनली रिकमेंड डॉक्टर्स डूइंग इट.
Mhm.
ओके, कोई थेरेपिस्ट या सैलून से मत करवाओ. जस्ट नो जो करवा रहा है उसको इंजेक्ट करना तो आता है ना. बिकॉज अगर एक बार साइड इफेक्ट हो गया, 4 महीने तक आपको हो सकता है ड्रूपी आईज या टेढ़ी मेढ़ी आईब्रोज लेके चलना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज आई हैव हैड सच एग्जांपल. देयर वाज अ ब्राइड, एक्चुअली वो कहीं से अपना बोटॉक्स करवा के आई थी. अब वो बोटॉक्स उसका खराब हो गया. देन शी केम टू आवर क्लिनिक एंड द होल, ये दोनों आईब्रोज उसके नीचे चले गए थे. सो व्हाट शी वाज डूइंग इज जस्ट पुलिंग इट अप, क्योंकि गलत जगह इंजेक्ट हो गया था. बिकॉज़ मसल को आप रिलैक्स कर रहे हो ना,
Right.
आगे पीछे चला गया तो कहीं और का मसल रिलैक्स हो जाएगा. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड.
Okay. So talking about brides, what are the steps that a bride should take? Because if something like this goes wrong, I mean, her entire wedding is spoiled. So can you give skincare tips, and what are these small tips that at least you can, suggest them that don't get it before your marriage, get it a year ago or like whatever. How, what are the suggestions
So I
that
think a good pre-bridal usually starts 6 months before the wedding.
Oh.
Like you're
Right.
prepping for the wedding ना, जैसे कपड़े ले रहे हो, बाकी सब कर रहे हो, तो 6 महीना पहले it's very important कि तब start करो. Have a good skincare, very important. Consult a nutritionist also, because the last days, when you're getting married, everyone is stressed.
Right.
So even the brides are like बिल्कुल ही बहुत ज़्यादा stressed होती हैं. The skin is flaring up. I have seen so many brides जिनका रैश, एलर्जीज फ्लेयर अप हो जाता है. और इफ समबडी हु हैड प्रीवियस इश्यूज लाइक एक्जिमा का प्रॉब्लम था, हेयर फॉल का इशू था, वो उसी टाइम स्टार्ट हो जाता है. इवन एक्ने ऑल्सो.
Right.
सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ गुड स्किन केयर, अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हु कैन हेल्प यू आउट, जैसे बेसिक
Right.
कीप योर सेल्फ हाइड्रेटेड एंड ऑल. देन कमिंग टू द स्किन ट्रीटमेंट. सो इफ समबडी हैज एक्ने, उसको 1 महीना पहले, तो शादी से पहले उसको नहीं ठीक कर सकते. सो 6 महीना पहले ट्रीटमेंट कराओ. इफ समबडी हैज एक्ने स्कार्स, उसका भी ट्रीटमेंट 6 से 4 महीने. एंड इफ यू हैव, मतलब फॉर्चुनेटली यू हैव अ गुड स्किन, और कुछ नहीं करना, वी जस्ट वांट टू ऐड मोर हाइड्रेशन एंड ग्लो. सो आइडियली 2 टू 3 मंथ्स बिफोर द वेडिंग. सो उसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वी कैन गिव यू फेशियल्स, वी कैन गिव यू सम ट्रीटमेंट्स, हम लोग पोर्स टाइटनिंग वगैरह कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
Then I've had brides who have gone for Botox also, because now the cameras इतने अच्छी रेजोल्यूशन होती है कि एक-एक चीज़ दिखती है. So when they were smiling, यहाँ पे लाइन्स पड़ रही हैं, यहाँ पे लाइन्स पड़ रही हैं.
Right.
So we have done Botox also for brides. That was surprising for me, because a lot of brides were opting for Botox, because वो एंगेजमेंट के टाइम पे पिक्चर्स देखी, यहाँ पे पूरा क्रीसिंग हुई हुई थी.
Right.
And then they went for that. Second, I think one more treatment which is very like famous with brides is derma planning. So because you have facial hair and then you apply makeup, तो वो भी again pictures में दिखता है.
Right.
So laser अगर करवाना है, body laser या face laser भी करवाना है, so I would advise 8 months before the wedding.
Okay.
अगर इमीडिएटली उससे पहले, लाइक यू हैव कम, यू जस्ट हैव 1 मंथ और तब करवाना है, देन जस्ट गो फॉर डर्मा प्लानिंग. एंड आल्सो डर्मा प्लानिंग इज बेसिकली लाइक अ क्लोज शेव ओनली, बट वी डू इट विद अ सर्जिकल स्कैल्पल. सो यू गेट द हेयर आफ्टर 1 मंथ, और वो वैसा ही बाल आता है जैसा पहले था.
Okay.
So you can get that. Then a lot of people are allergic to bleach now.
Right.
So we have started doing laser bleaching for them. So we are not applying any chemical. There's a laser जिससे आपके पूरे बाल bleach हो जाते हैं, and you get a nice glow also. That's called laser toning. So we are doing that for brides. And one more very good treatment for brides is hydration fillers.
Okay.
So it's not the same as the filler जैसे आपको चीक्स बड़ा करने के लिए या लिप्स बड़े करने के लिए नहीं होता है, इट्स जस्ट hyaluronic acid which is injected in the top layers of the skin. So we usually inject it here and here और वो पानी एब्ज़ॉर्ब करता है जिसकी वज़ह से you get like highlighter effect आ जाता है फेस पे।
Right.
Like Korean skin बोलते हैं जैसे,
Right.
so that we get because of that. So a lot of people are opting for that. And lastly, IV treatments are very popular with brides. So they get intravenous injections for glow.
So can we talk about IV treatments because it's so famous that Kardashians are doing it, Justin Bieber is doing it. What is there, and can you explain us through and through the procedure?
Okay, so IV is basically intravenous. जैसे पहले कहते थे ना ड्रिप लगाते हैं, it's the same. Okay, so what we do is we mix different components for IV. Majorly जो use होता है that is glutathione and vitamin C. You must have seen it in that show also, Made in Heaven.
Right.
है ना उसमें था, बट उसमें उन्होंने बहुत गलत दिखाया था, the side effect of it.
Right.
बट ऐसा होता नहीं है जनरली because we give you a test dose and we see whether it is suiting you or not.
Right.
And vitamin C and gluta generally बहुत होते नहीं है लोग उससे एलर्जिक। देयर आर अदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाइक जिंक और विटामिन B12 मल्टीविटामिन उससे हो सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो a test dose is formed and then how we generally do it, a test dose देते हैं, then we wait for 15-20 minutes just to see कि कोई रिएक्शन तो नहीं हो रहा and then we give a full IV.
Okay.
Okay, so उसमें क्या होगा?
But do
You
you often see reaction?
I've never seen it,
No?
touch wood,
Okay.
because I've been doing it for 3 years now.
Okay.
I've never seen a reaction, but just to be on the safer side, we always give a test
Te-
dose. I have seen it recently in not in Jammu, but in some other city. They have done an IV in a cafe. So there was like a party IV, but it was done in a cafe, which was I wouldn't say that it was a very smart idea. Why? If somebody is allergic to it, तो वहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे ना? There's nothing to give CPR, कुछ एंटी एलर्जिक देने के लिए कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ स्टेरॉइड्स नहीं होगा, लाइफ सेविंग ड्रग्स नहीं होंगे। सो आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड एंड आई हैव सीन इन वीडियोज़ आल्सो पीपल गेटिंग इट डन एट होम। सो दैट आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड। गेट इट डन इन अ प्रोफेशनल सेटिंग। या
Yeah.
एंड IV how it works is because it is an antioxidant. Vitamin C है, ग्लूटाथियोन है, तो ग्लूटाथियोन इज़ अ सुपर एंटीऑक्सीडेंट। ग्लूटाथियोन का साइड इफेक्ट होता है कि not the effect, the side effects, okay?
Side effect.
So once you give glutathione, वो आपका मेलानिन प्रोडक्शन कम कर देता है जिसकी वजह से आपका स्किन टोन लाइट हो जाता है, 1 और 2 शेड्स लाइट हो सकता है,
Okay.
ओके? दैट इज़ व्हाई इट एंटर्ड इंटू द व्हाइटनिंग इंडस्ट्री, लाइक व्हाइटनिंग एंड फेयरनेस इंडस्ट्री, ओके? बट इट इज़ अ साइड इफेक्ट। लाइक पैरासिटामॉल का साइड इफेक्ट किसी-किसी को होगा, ग्लूटा का साइड इफेक्ट भी किसी-किसी को होगा।
हाँ.
So not everyone would have a lightening effect. You would definitely get a very nice glow. You'll be more energetic.
Yeah.
There is a hangover drip also. Like you can take that drip before going out for a party, so you'll not have a hangover.
Oh,
So it-
interesting. Yeah.
So it's that good because I've had patients who were chronic alcoholic,
Oh.
and we have given them IV treatments also. We have done it for people who are smokers as well.
Right.
So it's not just for whitening; it's just for body detox.
Okay.
So it works very well for them. And एक और जो उसका side effect है which works very well is that it gives a lightening effect on the skin.
Okay. We just spoke about alcohol and smoke. So can we talk? Can you tell me how does that affect our skin?
Okay, so smoking a lot, I would say. Okay, I think there have been studies also which has been done in twins, जहाँ पे one of the twin smokes and the other one doesn't smoke, and then you see the aging after few years. So smoking की वजह से because it breaks down your natural collagen, which is the building block of your skin, तो उसकी वजह से आपके फेस पर काफी सारे wrinkles और aging factors आना start हो जाते हैं. Okay,
At what age, after what age should a person start taking collagen?
सी कोलाजन का थोड़ा-सा जो मार्केट है वो उतना स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नहीं है, ओके? देयर आर वेरी गुड कंपनीज़ हू हैव डन स्टडीज़ आल्सो ऑन कोलाजन कि एब्ज़ॉर्ब होता है, पर कोलाजन इज़ अ बिग मॉलिक्यूल, तो वो एब्ज़ॉर्ब नहीं हो पाता, ठीक है? यू नो दैट पाया जो हमारे में बोला जाता है खरोड़े का सूप, राइट? इट इज़ प्योर कोलाजन। हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें बचपन से खिला रहे थे कब्जियों में, राइट?
Right.
That's collagen only.
Right.
But now it is just marketed in a very fancy way. We also give it to our patients, but I would say that it depends. I would not say that it is 100% result there because at times it gets, maybe it's a placebo effect, but at times I have seen results. But if you ever notice, जो collagen बना होता है उसमें कितने सारे antioxidants होते हैं ना, जो आप पैक पढ़ोगे उसमें लिखा होगा vitamin C, this, that,
Yeah.
XYZ. So maybe it is that multivitamin which is acting up on your skin, not the collagen itself. But इतना उसमें research नहीं हुआ है.
So I was studying in UK, and over there, a doctor recommended me that after 25, every person should take collagen.
See, like I said,
Yeah.
if you're talking about the age factor, then it depends because we have done collagen drips and all also
Yeah.
for people who have joint pains. So
Right.
it does help. There's no harm in taking anything. It should suit you. That
Yeah.
is it. But जो जैसे ये आता है ना plant based collagen वो नहीं होता है because collagen is derived from animal source only.
Okay.
Okay, so because जो plant based
So
होता है
there's nothing as vegetarian collagen. It's all a lie.
no, it's not. See what
Yeah.
what it does is कि कोलाजन बनाने के लिए you need some छोटा-मोटा और ingredients चाहिए होते हैं. So those ingredients are vegetarian. Okay, so वो बोलते हैं कि it is a plant-based collagen, but it is not. The original collagen is either derived from poultry, fish, or beef. ठीक है?
Okay.
So we have two. We have the poultry and the fish one
In
available in India.
India.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the plant-based collagen is basically just the multivitamins that you're taking, but in a fancier packing.
Okay. Okay. So we talked about Botox. Now I want to talk about lip fillers. So could you explain a lot more about lip
I think
fillers?
lip fillers, the two fillers that I enjoy doing, one is neocollagenesis बोलते हैं. I'll explain that later. But then lip filler, of course, because क्या होता है, once you inject in the lips, there's a immediate result that you see, and it looks really nice. Okay, provided it is done properly, not a बॉच जॉब जिसमें वो डक लिप्स हो जाते हैं वैसे
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं. सो इट हैज़ टू बी डन प्रॉपर्ली एंड देन जस्ट एडिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वेदर यू रिक्वायर वॉल्यूम और यू रिक्वायर डेफिनिशन ऑफ द लिप्स. वो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, लाइक यू मस्ट हैव सीन इट इन यूएई एंड ऑल ना,
Right. Right.
एवरीबॉडी हैज़ बिग लिप्स एंड तो वो यहाँ पर हमारे फेशियल के साथ नहीं जाता है. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डायरेक्टली से नो इफ जैसे हमारे पास पेशेंट्स आते हैं, वी टेल देम जस्ट गेट गेट 1 ml or 0.6 to 1 ml. If you're not satisfied, then you come back and we'll do it again. But lip fillers are absolutely safe. Again, done by a thorough professional. And they look really nice. So if you are someone who has thin lips and you want to amplify them, don't worry. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा and will be very natural. And then secondly, because it is temporary. Okay,
Right.
एक बार करने पे चला जाता है. साल के अंदर तो खत्म हो ही जाता
Okay.
है. So उसके बाद if you don't like it, then don't get it done.
Okay. So is there any pros and cons to it? Like obviously the pros are that it is gonna enhance and you're gonna look beautiful. But if it goes wrong, does it affect
Okay, so with
your
fillers, yeah, fillers are comparatively more forgiving. जिससे अगर गलत हो गया, then there is an injection which is called as Hyalase. हम लोग वहाँ पे इंजेक्ट करते हैं और वहाँ पे वो फिलर जो होता है वो डिसॉल्व हो जाता है. So filler is made out of hyaluronic acid, and we all have hyaluronic acid in our body, right?
Right.
And hyaluronic acid को break down करने के लिए there's an enzyme Hyalase. We have it in our body. So that Hyalase works on your natural hyaluronic acid also and the one that we have injected. So if something goes wrong, हम बाहर से Hyalase डालते हैं and then it
you
goes.
can correct
Yeah,
it?
we can
Because
correct.
I saw this video of Alia Bhatt where she's trying to smile but she's getting a line over
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
So I think it went wrong, right? That
No,
is
I think she hasn't done a filler. I
Oh.
I have seen that video too.
Yeah.
Somebody was saying that she's gotten done a Botox.
Yeah.
But at time, if you see, people do not have facial symmetry.
Okay.
Okay, so थोड़ा सा asymmetry रहता है, and as you age, one part of the face gets a little more dominant. That could be your dependent side of the face also, जिस पे आप सोते हो.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so वो भी हो सकता है. So किसी का if you notice there are a lot of people जिनका मुंह हल्का सा इधर की तरफ घूमता है या लिप्स इधर की तरफ घूमते हैं because she's a celebrity, she's under the spotlight.
Spotlight.
So ये
Also, I
उससे
feel
ज़्यादा
like she has dimples, so maybe because of that.
See, dimples की वजह से there could be a thing that when she was fat, तो यहाँ पे buccal fat होता है ना, so a lot of people who get dimple बनाते हैं ना, dimple creation बोलते हैं, so they get their fat removed also.
Okay.
So उसकी वजह से भी there could be like support थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो जाए. But Botox की वजह से नहीं हो सकता because Botox अगर आपको facial asymmetry होता है, that helps to correct it. So I don't think so. I don't think she's gotten filler also. That no.
Okay. Okay. So could you tell a little bit about gut health and skin? What is the relation between both?
Okay, I think it's very important to maintain a good gut to have a good skin. Okay. So generally, like you know, it is said that gut is the second brain of the body. So कुछ भी जो absorption वगैरह होती है वो आपके gut से ही हो रही है. So whatever you're feeding,
Right.
absorption is through gut and then it is going into your bloodstream.
Right.
Okay. So maintaining a good gut is very important. Then if you have that something is wrong with the gut, तो वो skin पे आता है.
Right.
Like people who have acidity issues or people who have IBS, they do develop acne, eczema का flare up होता है. At times, it is such that if you have an uncorrected infection also in the body, could be like a UTI, urinary tract infection हो गया, या कोई और infection है, that also flares up on the skin.
Okay,
काफ़ी
talking about UTI, how does that affect? Because UTI is so common nowadays. This is the first time I got to know that it can affect our skin. So can you tell a little bit?
Yeah. So, see, UTI is urinary tract infections. It is extremely common in females than in males because they have a smaller urinary tract.
Right,
Okay.
right.
And of course, the most common is usually using a restroom, a common restroom या public restrooms वगैरह यूज करने की वजह
Right.
से फीमेल्स में होता है. द सेकंड इज सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स,
Hmm.
उसकी वजह से होता है. एंड देयर आर अदर रीजंस आल्सो. But since we are talking about UTI, how it affects the skin, at times people don't know that they have a UTI. कुछ किसी में symptoms आते हैं that you get that itching and burning sensation. A lot of people have pelvic pain also, lower pelvic pain रहता है. But at times क्या होता है, उनको पता ही नहीं होता they have a UTI and something else flares up. I've had patients who have had uncorrected UTI and all, but how it was showing on their body was they had eczema. उनको बिल्कुल रैशेस थे बॉडी के ऊपर.
Okay.
देन वी गॉट सम ब्लड टेस्ट डन एंड वी गॉट टू नो कि अच्छा ये तो यूटीआई की वजह से हो रहा है एंड वी वर जस्ट ट्रीटिंग देम फॉर एक्जिमा. सो योर बॉडी हैज अ वे ऑफ शोइंग एंड देन इट एवरीथिंग कम्स ऑन द स्किन.
Okay, okay. Moving forward, let's talk about pregnancy and what are the tips and that you'd like to give a pregnant women for skincare.
Okay, I think first important thing is don't use a retinol and कुछ भी ऐसा product which is not recommended to that you should apply during pregnancy. Either way, it does not have a side effect because retinol जो है वो उतना absorb नहीं होता है to affect the baby, but then of course it is recommended not to use it. Okay, so change your skincare. Number first, once you're pregnant. A lot of people develop pigmentation during or post pregnancy. So get it treated. Very important. Take your antenatal vitamins. जो आपको during pregnancy दिया जाता है ना. A lot of people think ज़रूरत नहीं है. I'm absolutely fine. No. Take it because your body needs that extra dose of vitamins. तो उससे your skin would be nice and glow. A lot of people have no issues during pregnancy. Skin बहुत अच्छी glow करती है. बाल बहुत अच्छे हो जाते हैं. It is post pregnancy when the skin goes to a toss and बाल बहुत ज़्यादा झड़ रहे होते हैं. Yeah. So postpartum hair fall बोलते हैं हम उसको. So at that time you can start using some serums. But majority of the women are breastfeeding, तो वो कुछ दवाई खा नहीं सकती या लगा नहीं सकती हैं. So there are serums now available which has plant-based products
Okay.
that you can apply during.
Which are those serums?
So like Redensil, Capexil, जिसमें होता है. A lot of have rosemary oil now. So they are also they are useful. You can use them, but you have to remember कि कोई भी चीज़ 10-15 दिन में काम नहीं करेगी. You have to use it for 3 months at least to see results. So that can be done. This you can start during pregnancy also. Then for females who have acne issues, who develop during pregnancy, one ingredient that you can use for acne is azelaic acid. So it is safer.
Okay.
चाहे प्रेगनेंसी है या पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी है तो भी आप एजिलिक एसिड यूज कर सकते हो. अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू कैन यूज अ सनस्क्रीन. इफ इट गेट्स रियली बैड तो फिर उसके बाद में आप मतलब यू कैन कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर एंड दे कैन पुट यू ऑन अ लाइट एंटीबायोटिक ऑल्सो.
Okay.
Then coming to body, because your body is also growing.
Then you have stretch.
Yeah, correct.
Common problem.
Yeah, so a lot of females develop stretch marks during pregnancy, and it is absolutely natural.
Normal. Yeah.
Important thing is to adjust to your new body. Okay. And secondly, I think a lot of females they get depressed also because body वैसी नहीं रहती है post delivery.
Right.
So the first step is acceptance.
Yeah.
Okay. The second would be that of course your body will change, but then it can be brought back to its own origin. पुरानी shape नहीं आएगी. There will be a new normal feel.
So is there a way to get rid of stretch marks?
Yeah, so during pregnancy, start applying creams. Okay, urea-based creams use हो सकती हैं. Coconut milk, coconut oil is very good that you can apply. I would not recommend those oils जो कि बोलते हैं कि stretch marks आएंगे ही नहीं आप लगाओ.
Right.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
Right.
आपको stretch marks पड़ेंगे because आपका body grow कर रहा है, skin जो है वो थोड़ी सी फट रही है, stretch हो रही है.
Right.
तो obviously you will get stretch marks, but the more you moisturize it, तो कम पड़ेंगे. Okay, and then if there is someone जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा stretch marks and there are treatments available for it. You can go for laser treatments, you can go for peels and microneedling.
Okay. So can you tell a little more about microneedling?
Okay, so microneedling is a procedure. उसमें क्या होता है कि आपकी स्किन पे there is a pen called as derma pen or doctor pen. So जिससे हम स्किन के ऊपर needles के through channels बनाते हैं.
Is it something like vampire?
Yeah, it's the same. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So in vampire facial, what we generally do is we take your blood
Yeah.
and we separate some growth factors from it. जैसे PRP हो गया, platelet rich plasma हो गया या कुछ growth factors हो गए, उनको separate करके भी inject it on your face along with microneedling. So microneedling क्या करता है? Controlled way में it makes micro channels on your skin. One, second, micro injuries. Okay, जिसकी वजह से there is a newer collagen production होती है. नया collagen आता है, fibroblasts आते हैं and you get a nice radiant skin. One, helps with fine lines, helps with anti-aging also, because but it is targeting your own skin to make new collagen. So even like better results, good results, and natural results.
Okay. And what is the difference between microneedling and the other thing that you said?
Vampire facial?
Yeah.
No. So
No. You said microneedling and
laser.
yeah, laser treatment.
Okay.
Yeah.
So lasers also generally, so lasers बहुत टाइप के आते हैं ना, so जिसमें हम माइक्रो नीडलिंग की बात कर रहे थे, दैट इज उसका जो लाइक सेम वे में जो एक्ट करता है, दैट इज अ फ्रैक्शनल लेजर. ओके. सो माइक्रो नीडलिंग में यू आर यूजिंग नीडल्स, लेजर में यू आर यूजिंग लेजर बीम्स टू कॉज दैट. देयर इज ओनली दैट डिफरेंस. माइक्रो नीडलिंग में डेप्थ एक जो होती है वो थोड़ी सुपरफिशियल होती है, लेजर में डेप्थ थोड़ी और डीपर पेनिट्रेट करती है. सो जितना डीप जाएगा आपकी स्किन के अंदर, तो उससे ज़्यादा कोलेजन प्रोडक्शन होगी.
Okay. Talking about laser, nowadays people are skipping on getting waxing done and they want to get laser treatment done. And 90% of the people are getting the result, but the rest 10% they end up getting the growth back. So, what is the right way and to go through, and how many sessions a person should take for it?
Okay, so when we talk about laser hair reduction, it's important to know that you'll only get 70% reduction. If somebody is promising you 100%, वो नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, 70% reduction हो जाता है. The rest 30% जो होता है वो maintenance में जाता है. यानी कि you might require another session in 6 months or in a year or even 3 months.
Right.
Okay, so and the rest of the 30% के जो बाल होते हैं वो यहाँ थोड़े से fine हो जाते हैं.
Okay.
So 70% reduction is there with every good machine. Okay.
Okay.
Sittings kitni required होती हैं, it is very different for people who have as per your growth also. Okay. So when we talk about body, anywhere between 8 to 10 is good. Okay. Not 6. I would not recommend 6. Okay. And then for face, it depends on your hormone levels, because a lot of females have PCOS now. अगर आपको face पे बाल आ रहा है, important is to get your hormone levels checked first and then get into laser hair reduction.
Okay.
Because people just go directly for laser hair reduction. Body में तो hormone का problem है ही है. आप बाल बाहर से तो आप उसको ट्रीट कर रहे हो, पर अंदर से वो हार्मोन फिर से बन रहा है एंड यू आर गेटिंग द हेयर. दैट इज व्हाई यू डोंट सी द रिजल्ट्स.
Okay. And then, is there any medicine that you should take to get
Yeah,
rid of
yeah,
the hormone?
yes. So basically, if your testosterone levels come to be higher,
Right.
तो उस टाइम पे we can put you on a medication during the time that you're taking your laser sessions also.
Okay.
So with laser what happens is कि जो आपका hair follicle है वो एक बार में खत्म नहीं होता है. हम उसे बस एक बार it dies off, then it comes back again. फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वो shrink होता है और फिर खत्म हो जाता है. That is why you require multiple sessions.
And how long does this last? Is this
It
for a lifetime? No.
I think yes, to some extent yes, but you need to understand that फीमेल का जो आपका जो साइकिल है वो ही इतना चेंज होता है. ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी यू विल हैव डिफरेंट हार्मोन्स, देन प्री मेनोपॉज यू विल हैव डिफरेंट हार्मोन्स, है ना.
Right.
थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा एंड उस टाइम पे हेयर ग्रोथ हो सकती है. सो यू कांट से कि मैंने तो 15 साल की उम्र में कराया था और 50 साल तक कुछ नहीं होगा. हाय,
Okay.
उतनी उतनी रिलायबिलिटी तो कहीं भी नहीं है.
Right, right. Um, there is a very common problem that people are getting body acne.
Yeah.
And there is something called skin peeling.
Yes.
So, can you talk a little bit about it?
Yeah, so whenever we talk about body acne, it's usually acne on your back, on your trunk, front mein, chest mein, on your shoulders, and even on your buttocks, right?
Right.
The most
Why
important,
does it happen?
see, people who have acne on face can develop it on the body also.
Right.
Usually, the few concerns are your scalp health. Okay.
Okay.
अगर आपको dandruff का problem है, then you will definitely have body acne, because the dandruff will fall on the body and then cause a little bit of irritation, और उसकी वजह से आपको acne हो सकता है. Then people develop body acne because of their diet also.
Okay.
हाई शुगर, हाई मिल्क. ओके. तो शायद फेस पे नहीं आएगा, बॉडी पे आएगा. ठीक है. थर्ड इज हाइजीन ऑल्सो मैटर्स व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बॉडी एक्ने.
Right.
सो स्पेशली पीपल हु आर जिमिंग, ठीक है, वो बहुत स्वेट वगैरह करते हैं. स्वेटिंग के बाद में दे डोंट टेक अ शावर, सो स्वेट सॉल्ट्स आर ऑन योर बॉडी, कॉजेज इरिटेशन एंड यू डेवलप एक्ने. सो वो रहता है बॉडी एक्ने के लिए द बेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट. आजकल बॉडी स्प्रेज आती हैं दैट यू कैन अप्लाई. ठीक है, एंड इट इज अ स्प्रे, सो यू कैन इजिली डू इट योरसेल्फ. They help a lot keeping your scalp clean. Anti-dandruff shampoos work very well. Body washes are there. But if the body acne is quite a lot, बहुत बड़े-बड़े acne हैं, then you have to be on some sort of antibiotic for it. Then coming to the treatment procedure, then peels also work very well. So peels mein we use salicylic acid, glycolic acid, mantelic acid, which helps to get rid of the acne and also reduce the marks.
And how long that you should take the sessions to?
I think 4 to 6 are more than enough, and they are done at a period of 3 weeks to 1 month.
Oh.
Once in 3 weeks to 1 month.
So lately, I just saw this reel which was talking about menstrual and fecal facial. Do you think all this is valid and does this really work?
No, I don't think so. I think it is just कि किसी ने कुछ लगाया just to become a sensation and वो topic बन जाता है ना फिर कि
Right.
that people start talking about it and they start doing it also. That is the worst part.
Right.
See, there is no way that it is working because let's talk about the fecal one जो
Yeah.
बहुत आजकल चल रहा है in trend. It is your toxins which are getting
That's
like
your the poop is
yeah,
basically
the toxin only you're supposed to get rid of it. Now you're picking it up and putting it on the face. It is firstly it is gross.
Yes.
Secondly, not advisable.
Right.
And thirdly, it can give you irritation. If you are sensitive in skin or something जिसका आपने वो face पे लगा दिया, of course it is smelly as well.
Yeah.
So that you're applying on the face, definitely no.
Right.
And then talking about the menstrual जो जब चल रहा था, I think the concept must have been derived from the vampire facial only because they are एडिंग ब्लड दिखता है फेस के ऊपर, सो दे माइट हैव थॉट कि ब्लड उठा के फेस पे लगा दो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. फर्स्टली इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू पेनिट्रेट. सेकंड, इट इज मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लड. ओके, सो उसमें आपका जो बॉडी के इट्स नॉट जस्ट द ब्लड, इट्स द क्लॉट्स ऑल्सो, यू नो द जो आपका ब्रेक डाउन हुआ है, एंडोमेट्रियल लाइनिंग ब्रेक डाउन हुआ है, वो सब भी है. फर्स्टली इट इज नॉट फॉर ऑफ एनी यूज एंड इट विल नॉट गिव यू एनी ग्लो अदर देन अगेन जस्ट पुटिंग समथिंग not advisable.
Yeah. So you just spoke about glow. Can you give tips on glowing skin?
I think drink
Because there.
water.
Okay.
Very, very important. Drink a lot of water because पानी जो होगा, if you have a dehydrated skin, no matter what product are you using, even the most expensive ingredients would not work. So dehydration नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay.
Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water. And secondly, use a sunscreen. Very important because sunscreen can only change your skin.
Right.
Alone अगर वही use कर रहे हो, it can change your skin tone also.
Okay.
So do that. And for glow, add a vitamin C. Either take it orally or apply it on the skin. That would also work very well. And hyaluronic acid is a good product to use.
Okay. Uh, we have in India, especially, we have a lot of beauty standards. People believe more that a person should have a light skin. So, do you think is there any gender difference, and do you think boys coming to you and asking to get their skin lighter?
Yes, I have. I have definitely seen that, but I've seen it a lot in females also. You know,
Females for sure. I mean, you have this beauty creams and stuff, but do you see more into boys?
yeah, that is why fair and handsome बनी ना. Otherwise क्यों बनती है? ठीक है, because everyone wants to be fair and handsome.
Right.
So yes, it is there. I think जितना मर्जी हम बोल लें कि your skin, it doesn't reflect you. Yeah, but वो नहीं. It is just the mindset. It is just the thinking. Everyone wants a blue-eyed fair girl for their boy, and the same goes for boys also now. ठीक है, so men also come and they generally do talk about कि थोड़ा pigmentation light करना है या ये सब करना है, उसके लिए treatments available होते हैं. I'm not an advocate for fairness and all. I generally don't say that. I say it's very important to have a good and healthy skin. So उतना ही maintain करो.
Right. And we have this trend of Korean skin, glass skin. So, what are your tips for Indian skin, like brown people for an Indian skin? How do you get that glass glow?
I think people should go to Korea and see what they're doing because everyone is like वो rice water लगा रहे हैं and हर एक बंदा खुश है. ऐसा नहीं है. When you go to Korea, you'll see what a big beauty market it is there. Okay. हमारे यहाँ पे 2-4 किलोमीटर में 1-2 ब्यूटी क्लिनिक्स होंगे, वहाँ 1 किलोमीटर में ही 100 ब्यूटी क्लिनिक्स होंगे.
Right.
We guys also have trainings in Korea. Okay.
Right.
So there we have seen कि बहुत अलग ही market है. Fine. So if, for example, if you go there and you want a product with this ingredient, they'll just make it for you and give it to you.
Right.
All these brands which are so popular in India, वहाँ पे नहीं है वो popular.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So I think one is marketing is बहुत अच्छी हो रही है. Second is Korean skin जो है, firstly they're genetically blessed with that kind of skin.
Right.
Their diet. So a lot of the diet is very raw vegetables and raw food basically, and a lot of them soups and everything. So diet is also good. हम लोग यहाँ पे पराठे खा कर नहीं expect कर सकते कि skin Korean हो जाए. Okay.
Right.
And thirdly, they go for a lot of procedures. Okay, especially hyaluronic acid based. Like I said, ना वो skin hydration fillers वगैरह वो सब होते हैं. So that can give you a Korean skin, but you need to understand you're not from Korea. So skin तो Indian ही रहेगी.
So, what are the top 10 facial or like top 5 facials that you would recommend?
Okay, the first one would definitely be vampire facial because it works on everything. It works on your scars, marks, anti-aging, pore tightening and everything. The second would be a laser facial. So we have it in our clinic, which is done with an erbium laser. एंड थोड़ा-सा डाउन टाइम होता है उसका बट इट आल्सो वर्क्स वेरी वेल। अगेन स्किन टाइटनिंग, लिफ्टिंग सब करता है।
हुँ।
Then coming to people who do not want to opt for minimal invasive procedures, just basic facial, then I think HydraFacial is a good choice. Then there is another one called as Dermafrag. That is also a very good facial because it removes the gunk that you have on your face. वो सब remove हो जाता है उसमें.
हुँ।
And then depending on your skin, there are a lot peels work really well. I think peels are quite understated when it comes to the treatment कि उसमें हर एक को लगता है कि स्किन पील ऑफ हो जाएगी पील लगाने से, but anything which is a medicated thing is called peel only.
Right,
Okay,
right.
so the skin would not peel off, but it can give you a really nice glow, hardly 5-10 minutes में.
And for what are the after effects? I mean, for vampires, I've seen that you need to, your skin goes red, all of that
Yeah,
happens.
it does
So,
happen. Yes.
yeah.
I think for a day or two, थोड़ा सा डाउन टाइम रहता है, and sun protection is very important if you're going for any procedure. Even if you're using a brightening serum, sun protection बहुत important होता है. Okay.
Okay.
So the major thing is that sun protection after every treatment is important.
Lastly, now winters have started.
Hmm.
So, what are the common skincare tips that you would like to give it to the audience?
Okay, because winters are quite harsh here.
Right.
So important is that you moisturize your skin well. Very important. So change your moisturizer. A lot of people don't change their moisturizer also in winters and then they complain of कि skin peel हो रही है, red हो रही है. So change your moisturizer. Go for something more thicker. If you have dry skin, okay, and people who have oily skin should go for a fluid based moisturizer, but moisturizer हर एक को use करना है. Second thing is using a moisturizing sunscreen. Again,
Mhm.
very important.
Mm.
Okay, and go for a gentle face wash. So people who are on acid based face wash जैसे कि glycolic या salicylic acid, they can go for a gentler face wash. जैसे salicylic which has a combination of pentaviten or aloe vera,
Hmm.
वैसा कुछ combination start कर लो and just moisturize your skin.
Okay.
People who have eczema, उनका बहुत eczema flare up करता है.
Right.
So keep a humidifier in your room. Very important. So humidifier वो जिसमें आपका वो जो
Right.
right, you have a steam kind of in your room. So keep that in your room because that will help to lock in the moisture which is in the air. Because heaters on होंगे उसकी वजह से भी dry up हो जाएगा ना area. So do that. That will help a lot. And bathing with normal to water, lukewarm. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म उबलता हुआ पानी नहीं फेंकना है.
Right.
उससे तो it will strip off the natural oils also of the body and just moisturize the body also.
So a lot of people get the redness and the sensitive skin. Even if, for example, me, I have a normal skin during summers, but during winters I flare up badly.
Hmm.
So what are the, especially for the redness and all of that, what are the common creams or what would you recommend?
I think if you like, for example, your skin, like you mentioned, it is normal, but because it is drying up in winters, तभी flare up कर रही है. You are developing that redness and sensitivity. Change your moisturizer. Again, like I said, a thicker moisturizer would work well. If you're someone with thick moisturizer, you develop acne, then go for Arnica creams.
Okay.
Okay, so Arnica is a product. आजकल मिल जाता है, online भी है काफी अच्छा. So Centella asiatica, that is the ingredient that you can look for in products. Pentaviten होता है, that you can look for in products, or maybe something which has ceramides in it. So go for that. Apply that moisturizer and then top it up with the sunscreen.
All right. There's a very common notion that, especially because we come from Jammu and Kashmir, so everybody thinks that our skin is more like clearer, we have more glowing skin than the people in other part of the country.
I think people generally associate that जहाँ पे थोड़ा colder region होगा,
Right.
be it Europe or be it our side of the country, that people have brighter skin. थोड़ा सा साफ होगी. Because I've also heard this because I've worked in different parts of the country. People would say, "Oh, तुम लोग नॉर्थ से हो तो तुम्हारा तो कलर फेयर है,
Right.
तुम्हारे गाल लाल हैं." बट ऐसा नहीं होता. I think it is one is genes, very important. So if there are people who have fairer or brighter skin, तो उनके बच्चों का भी थोड़ा वैसे ही होता है. So genes matter a lot. Okay.
Right.
Second is topography.
Okay.
Of course, less heat की वजह से कम प्रोडक्शन होता है मेलानिन का.
Okay.
And then the kind of availability that is there. So for example, people who are from let's say Himachal
Right.
या जहाँ पे ज़्यादा greenery है, pollution levels कम है, because there is cleaner air
Air.
and fresher produce.
Right.
So that affects your skin. So I would say rather than just because of the area, no. Like you would see people from south also. There are Aishwarya Rai ले लो, है ना? So she has such a brighter and nice and glowing skin. So many South Indian actresses,
Yeah.
Tamanna, so
Right.
they have such brighter and nice skin. So I wouldn't say it is because of the topography. I think genes and the local produce and pollution levels matter a lot.
I've heard, talking about South, I've heard that South Indians, they use a lot of coconut oil. So does that make a difference?
आई थिंक व्हिच इज़ जो भी रीजनल प्रोड्यूस है ना, दैट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस।
राइट।
ओके? सो जो वहाँ का है वो उसी के एनवायरनमेंट में सूट करता है।
हुँ।
सो दे हैव कोकोनट ऑयल इन देयर फूड, इन देयर डाइट, देयर हेयर इज़ सो नाइस एंड शाइनी, है ना? कितने अच्छे बाल होते हैं। सो ब्राइटर एंड देयर स्किन इज़ आल्सो क्वाइट नाइस एंड शाइनी। सो आई थिंक व्हाटएवर लोकली दैट यू आर हैविंग वुड डेफिनिटली वर्क ऑन योर स्किन। अगर हम लोग इतना कोकोनट ऑयल यहाँ पर लगाएँगे तो हमें तो गर्मी हो जाएगी,
हाँ,
राइट?
राइट।
और तो उस वजह से वी नीड टू सी व्हाट इज़ सूटिंग अस।
ओके। Thank you so much for coming and taking out the time to be here with us. It was lovely having you.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed myself. It was a great session.
Also, we have a very special offer for our viewers.
So, we are offering free skin analysis to our top 5 viewers.
Like,
Like,
share,
share,
subscribe
subscribe
to
to
Dopamine
Dopamine
High.
High.